John Collins. I'm back. It's been a little while, but I got a few comments asking about my Apple Watch repair video that I did a little while back. People just wanted to know, did it work? Did it hold up? Now, if you recall in that video, I clearly state, at least I believe I did, that that was intended to be a temporary fix, okay? I just wanted that watch to last long enough to get me to the next Apple Watch launch, which was about 6 or 7 months away. I thought this repair should do it. The question you're asking is, but did it work? Did I get to the 6 or 7 months away to the Apple Watch launch? The answer is no, I did not. I did not make it. I was about 3 months in. Things were great. I was happy. I was confident looking at my Series 1. But I did notice it started to loosen up just a little bit. And I procrastinated. Let's be honest. That's what I did. I put it off. It loosened up a little bit more. Had I addressed it when I initially noticed that it was loosening up a little bit, I think I could have made it to the deadline, okay, to my goal date of the next Apple Watch launch. But because of procrastination and just being busy in life, I didn't make it. While playing with my younger son, he got a little piece of it, just a little bit, and that was it. That was the end of that watch. I mean, that watch was done. It's the end. Filleted. Here, take a look here. This is it. This is all that's left. If you ever wondered what's inside, there you go. There's that battery that swells up that apparently causes the problems. You can just see everything as it's looking like an artifact, a remnant that has no further value, but that's what happened. So there's the update. I would recommend that repair if you just need a temporary fix and you're in a similar situation that I was in, which was simply, I could tell it just needed to be refastened. It was still working. The lights were on. It wasn't like I was resoldering anything. I just needed to seal it. That's why that repair worked. But if you do want something more long-term, I suggest doing what I did and finding a good deal. I ended up finding a Series 6 with GPS off the Apple website, refurbished. And I felt that that could meet some of my criteria, which was cost and holding me until that launch came out. So even after the launch, I wasn't persuaded to feel the need to upgrade from the Series 6. So that's what I have today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Peace. This is an Apple Watch my son handcrafted for me. Watch out, Ivy. Watch out, Ivy. Look at the detail. Look at those angles.